How to turn off Ask Permission on App Store on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off Ask Permission on App Store iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Settings app. After you open up your Settings app, what you'll need to do is scroll down until you find Screen Time. Tap on Screen Time, and after you're there, scroll down again. There you'll see Restriction section. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and after you tap on that, you'll see iTunes and App Store purchases and many other options. So what you'll need to do is you will need to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and there you'll see an option that says Require Password. Simply select Don't Require. After you've done that, you can then head back and come back to your settings. And on your settings, what you'll need to do is tap on your icon, that is your profile icon on the top here. After you do that, you'll then need to head over to Media and Purchases. Tap on it, and there you will see Password Settings. Head over to Password Settings, and after you're on your password settings, what you'll need to do is here, select Always Require Password, then make sure that you've turned this Require Password button off. Then tap on the Done button on the top right, and you're good to go. And that's how you can turn off Ask Permission on App Store on iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.